Hey YouTube, get my dog out of the barn. Pretty much his boy, his blue tick. His name's Rebel. My hair is like in a mess today. I just got off from school. But yeah, gotta get him out of the barn. Rebel! Rebel! Come down, boy. Rebel! Rebel. My dog. Yeah?
Treeing her girl. Oh. You treeing her, Rebel. Oh, you treeing her. Rebel, you treeing her.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
You treeing her, boy.
What's that? What is he doing? What's that? I don't know what that means, Daddy.
Well, he knows he's bald head. Now, you need to quit losing that voice, boy. Take in higher.
Calm down. Rebel. Rebel. Piece of work.
Rebel hush.
Come on, Rebel. Rebel. Come on, boy. Rebel. This is my dog, Rebel. As you can see, it's a blue tick. Yep. Change his camera. Rebel. 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 That's all I gotta say.